Hello friends. Welcome to Latest Trends. Channel Trendsons. Today, we will discuss the new trends in print-on-demand, T-shirts, daddy-daughter, heartwarming graphic that captures the essence of the daddy-daughter relationship. Tees celebrate the special bond between father and daughter with our charming daddy-daughter T-shirt. Crafted with love and designed to bring smiles. Design number 1. This daddy-daughter T-shirt isn't just a piece of clothing. It's a symbol of the deep bond that only a father and daughter can share. Whether you're gifting it for Father's Day, daughter's birthday, father's birthday, etc. Design number 2. Set the tone and make your boundaries clear with our Do Not Disturb, My Peace, My Dog, My Vibes T-shirt. Perfect for dog lovers and anyone who values their personal space, this tee is more than just a statement, it's a lifestyle. This T-shirt is for those who know that peace, a good vibe, and a loyal dog are all you really need. It's the perfect way to express your priorities without saying a word. Your space, your rules, wear it loud and proud. Design number 3. This T-shirt is for those who know that sometimes life just happens. And there's not much else to say. It's a perfect conversation starter or a subtle way to express your laid-back attitude. Whether you're buying it for yourself or as a gift, this tee is sure to resonate with anyone who appreciates the humor in life's unpredictability. Keep it real, embrace the unexpected, and wear it with a smile. Design number 4. For the dads who juggle responsibilities by day and dominate the virtual world by night, our Gamer Dad by Day, Gamer by Night T-shirt is the perfect badge of honor. It's a celebration of fatherhood and gaming passion. This T-shirt is more than just a piece of clothing. It's a statement that you can rock both fatherhood and gaming with equal passion. It's the perfect gift for Father's Day, birthdays, or just because, and it's sure to become a favorite in any gamer. Design number 5. Celebrate the unbreakable bond between mother and daughter with our mom-daughter relationship T-shirt. This tee is more than just clothing. It's a heartfelt tribute to the love, strength, and connection between mother and daughter. This T-shirt is the perfect way to express the unique and powerful bond between mother and daughter. It makes for a thoughtful gift on Mother's Day, birthdays, or just because, and is sure to become a cherished part of your wardrobe. Design number 6. Motherhood is a full-time job, and sometimes, it feels like you just can't escape those little detectives. Our kids can find mom no matter where I try to hide T-shirt perfectly captures the humorous side of being a mom. This T-shirt is for all the moms who know that no matter where you try to hide, your kids will always find you. It's a humorous and relatable reminder of the joys and challenges of motherhood, making it a perfect gift for yourself or a fellow mom. Design number 7. Make a bold statement with our I Am a Side Chick T-shirt. Perfect for those who love to keep it real and aren't afraid to express their unique perspective with a touch of humor and attitude. This T-shirt is for those who aren't afraid to make a statement and stand out from the crowd. Whether it's meant as a playful expression or to spark conversation, this tee is sure to turn heads and make a lasting impression. Design number 8. For those who juggle it all, our multitasker T-shirt is a badge of honor. Whether you're managing work, family, hobbies, or all of the above, this tee celebrates your ability to handle it all with style and grace. This T-shirt is for everyone who wears multiple hats and does it all with a smile. Whether you're balancing work, family, or personal projects, this tee is a reminder that you're capable of handling anything that comes your way. Design number 9. Celebrate the special connection between mother and son with our Mom-Son Bond T-shirt. This tee is a heartwarming tribute to the unbreakable bond that only a mom and her son can share, making it the perfect piece to showcase your love. This T-shirt is more than just clothing. It's a celebration of the powerful bond between a mother and her son. Perfect as a gift for Mother's Day, a birthday, or just because, it's a meaningful addition to any wardrobe that you'll both cherish.